my god, I hate biology. This is so hard. When am I ever going to use this in real life?
Hey, look, it's a bio student in distress.
Who are you?
I'm Anna. I'm Nupur. And we're the bio breathers.
Do you guys think you could help me with my bio homework?
Yes, of course. It's what we live for. What do you need help with?
I need to know the respiratory system of birds, grasshoppers, worms, and frogs.
Well, you know the respiratory system is really important.
It lets us take oxygen to all our body cells, which we need in order to survive.
And it takes out the waste product of respiration, carbon dioxide.
So what animal do you want to start with?
Can we start with frogs? I love frogs.
Yes. So as adults, frogs breathe in two different ways, through their lungs and through their skin.
Through their skin? That's so cool.
Frogs usually breathe through their skin, which they always have to keep moist. But that doesn't mean they have to stay in the water their entire life.
So, how do frogs breathe as tadpoles?
They breathe through their gills, but then the gills get absorbed into their body as they grow.
Tadpoles have gills and live under the water until they go through metamorphosis. As adults, frogs breathe through their skin and through their lungs.
Frogs rely on their lungs to breathe when they're active and need more oxygen than the skin respiration can provide. A frog's skin is thin and marbled with blood vessels close to the surface.
Moisture on the skin dissolves oxygen from the air and water and transmits it into the bloodstream. Fun fact, a frog sheds its skin at least once a week, and a group of frogs is called an army. Wow, frogs are so cool. What animal are we going to learn about next?
Next, we're going to learn about the respiratory system in worms.
Awesome.
Worms are really similar to frogs by the way they breathe. Can you guess why?
Oh, I know. It's because they breathe through their moist skin, right?
Yeah, exactly. So since worms don't have lungs, their skin has to be thin enough for oxygen to get through.
And in order for oxygen to pass through, worms need their skin to be really moist. And they do this by expelling bodily fluids like mucus.
Ew, that's so gross. They secrete mucus?
But isn't it so cool that their skin is so thin that oxygen can get through?
Yeah, I guess it is pretty cool.
Worms secrete mucus so air can dissolve into their skin. Their skin must stay moist so they don't dry out and suffocate. And the mucus actually helps them move through the ground easily.
Oxygen goes inside the circulatory system of the worm, and the heart pumps the blood to their head. Fun fact, there are actually 6,000 species of earthworms. And worms are considered hermaphrodites, which means they have both reproductive organs.
Do any other animals we're learning about breathe through their skin?
While grasshoppers breathe through tiny holes in their body, which is pretty close.
Yeah, these holes in their body are called spiracles, and they're located on their abdomen, which is the last part of their body.
Whoa, they have tiny holes on their body? I wish I could have spiracles.
They actually have 16 to 20 spiracles, which is 8 to 10 pairs. And spiracles are little openings that lead to tracheotubes. Spiracles have valves that can open and close as required, and fine hairs to prevent foreign particles from coming in.
Oxygen-rich air is inhaled through the first 4 spiracles, and the carbon dioxide-rich air is exhaled through the remaining 6 pairs of spiracles. The main tracheal tubes join together to form 3 main tracheal trunks, which enlarge to form air sacs. Grasshoppers have auditory organs on their abdomen or belly, along with the spiracles.
The carbon dioxide produced is detected by the chemoreceptors, which makes muscles near the spiracles contract. This pushes the air out. Fun fact, grasshoppers cause billions of dollars in damage in crops annually. What about birds? Do birds breathe through their skin too?
No, they breathe through nostrils that are on their beak.
Oh, so they breathe like we do.
Well, it's not exactly like this. Air passes down the trachea, and then it goes to the 2 bronchi, and then it goes down their lungs.
Oh, so the air doesn't stay in their lungs?
Yep, the air passes straight through their lungs and goes into their air sacs.
And since the birds have relatively small lungs, they need those 7 to 9 air sacs to breathe.
Oh, I see.
Yep, so the air sacs are needed for taking in oxygen.
The bird's respiratory system is called the avian system, or the unidirectional system. It takes 2 breaths for air to pass in and out of the respiratory system.
Birds do not have diaphragms, so air goes in and out of the respiratory system through pressure changes in the air sacs. Respiratory infections are common among birds because they spread through abdominal cavities and bones because air sacs reach to their bones.
The respiratory system in birds helps maintain homeostasis. Fun fact, there are around 10,000 species of birds. Birds have hollow bones which allow them to fly, and scientists believe that birds evolved from dinosaurs.
Wow, this is a great day. I got to learn so much. Thanks, Anna and Nupur, for helping me learn about how these interesting animals breathe.
We're always happy to help bio students.
It's what we live for.
Ha ha.